What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over a special Craigslist technique that can help you gain leads every day. You need to keep that funnel filled with leads every single day so you can make that daily cash. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and click that bell so you're the first person to know once I upload a video on how to make some daily cash. Let's jump into it. What you're gonna do is come over here to Craigslist. It's free to create a Craigslist account. All you need is an email account. Go ahead, create an account, and it'll bring you to this section. What you could do is choose the city and state that you want to post in. If you don't know about Craigslist, man, it's a site that you could just sell almost anything on. They also have services on there and jobs. So that's the good thing about it. So what you have to do, you can go to create a post. To make it easier, just create a post. I want to do the whole city of Atlanta. You can choose different like parts of where you pick, the east, the west, however you want to go. I just click the whole city, and you'll go to a gig offer. All right, I want to hire someone because that's what we're doing. We add it to our team. And you would want to click computer gig or creative gig. I always go with computer gig since we deal, basically on our computers, responding to emails, creating, capture pages and different things. So I chose that, and you can put something in there like make $500 a day from home, and I already have my message typed up. So I say, hey, my name is Mark. I help people make money from home online. If you're interested in sharing a done-for-you website that pays $500 plus instant commissions, text autopilot, and I put my Google number right here because I don't use my personal number, for my business, and that's how I can, balance everything out. And I put my Google number there, and I said for more information. So let me show you the results that I got back with this. As you can see, look at the amount of autopilots text messages that came to my Google text number. Okay, you can create your Google number. It's free. All you need is a Gmail account. You connect it to your regular number. I just chose to go with text, the word autopilot, and look at all of these texts, guys. It's a lot of them. Because it works. Now, you see the proof that it works. All you have to do is turn these leads into sales. So that's onto your closing game. So let me show y'all guys exactly how I post this so you could do it too. You can copy this word for word, put your name, or you can add some more to it. I just went plain. I just test things out, and this method works for me. I actually done this method before with one of my existing businesses, another one that I have, and it still works for that. Put the postal code, guys, that you're where you're at. Make sure you put the zip code. To pay is $500, because once you generate an elite sale with Newbies on Fire, you get paid $500. So that's what we like to focus on. 2 sales a day, guys, is $1,000. $1,000 for 5 days is $5,000 for the week. Now that is my goal. I want to help other people make $5,000 a week. It's easy, it's simple, and we're showing you how to target the people that actually want this product, which is online training and how to make money from home. Because it's a lot of people out here that want to know how to make money from home so they can stay home with their kids, so they can do what they want to do on their terms, guys, and not have to worry about being fired. Jobs are not secured. You need to have a backup plan on how you can make some money. So $500 per referral is a lot of money, and it can help you navigate in life so much better. So that's the pay. Put the pay here, $500, and you can click show my number. You have to put it in here and all of that, but guys, I just simply left it like this because they could copy it and, you know, send a text. So it's up to you if you want to do this part to the extent. And then let me move this out the way. You click continue. Now, once you click continue, you don't have to do all this map stuff. You can add an image. I didn't add an image because, you know, Craigslist, usually when you add an image, they flag it or take it down or something. So I just left it plain. Click done with images, and this is what your poster look like. You see, it's easy money. Now this does cost $7, but that's not much, guys. This post stays up for a whole month. So you can be getting leads every single day for a whole month. Think about what they could do for your business and how you can generate those leads into sales and make those $500 commissions. So $7, not that bad. Go ahead, guys. You click publish. Once you click publish, you're going to have to put your telephone number in. So I had to use my Google number because my other number, I have multiple accounts and it was connected to that. So I just take the pin that they sent me, and just post it. Alright. Now, continue posting with your first and last name, everything, card number, and you pay the $7. And then once you do that, guys, your post will be up. Right now, I'm not going to purchase any because I have a few up right now. And as you can see, I'm getting a lot of leads. All you have to do, guys, is follow that method, and you can get this type of, you know, results. It's not that hard. All of these people is texting autopilot for the information. And once again, all we're doing is reselling a digital product and getting paid 100% instant commission, and you'll be able to just live life on your own terms. So if you don't know about Newbies on Fire and you're watching this video, I will put the link below. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram. I will put my username below as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, guys, so y'all can know when I drop this daily value about how to make 100% instant commissions every single day. So other than that, I am out.